In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a font in Constant Contact. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your email design skills, selecting the right font is a crucial step in creating an engaging and professional-looking email. Let's dive into the easiest and most reliable method by using the Design tab within the email editor. Start by navigating to the Design tab. This is your central hub for customizing the look and feel of your emails. Once you're in, you'll see a section dedicated to fonts. Clicking on this section will introduce you to a variety of font styles applicable to various elements within your email, such as body text, headings, and links. Here, you're offered a curated list of email-safe fonts. Why focus on email-safe? Well, these fonts are commonly supported across various devices and email clients, ensuring that your email looks consistent and professional no matter where it's viewed. This is the quickest route to achieving a polished design, as these fonts have been selected specifically to minimize display issues, so your message stays clear and aesthetically pleasing. Taking a moment to choose the right font can make all the difference in conveying your brand's voice and enhancing readability. When selecting your fonts, consider how they align with your larger brand identity. For body text, you might want a simple, easy-to-read font that doesn't distract from the content itself. Meanwhile, headings could benefit from something a bit bolder or more distinctive to draw attention to key areas of the email. Constant Contact does a good job of simplifying this process while providing you with enough flexibility to let your creativity shine. As you explore your font options, you can preview how each selection affects your email. This feature allows you to toggle between different fonts seamlessly, providing real-time insight into which ones work best with your existing design elements and content structure. Remember that when your email includes call-to-action links, these links are crucial for engagement and should be easy to spot and read. Consider pairing a consistent font style with a contrasting color to enhance visibility and appeal. This subtle touch not only guides your recipients to the next steps, but also maintains the clean and professional appearance of your entire email. To sum up, using the Design tab in Constant Contact's email editor is an effective and straightforward way to select fonts to reinforce your message and brand identity consistently. So, go ahead, experiment with the different options, and find what works best for your needs while always keeping in mind the readability and overall impact of your design. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating more engaging and visually appealing emails. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.